Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. Oh my god. Ang laki ng box. I'm so excited. I do receive it a couple days ago but I haven't opened it yet because I want to open it at the same time filming it. So today's video is going to be my December Boxycharm. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription beauty box. It's only $21 every month. You will receive 4 to 5 sample deluxe product that over $100. Monthly subscription beauty box. So mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng aking monthly subscription beauty box, the Boxycharm. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't opened it yet. I received this like maybe, I'm not sure. Where's the date? Haven't seen date. But anyways, I received it a couple days ago, but kind of like I'm a little bit lazy to unbox it. So now we're gonna do an unboxing for this little guy. Oh my god, it's big. Ang laki niya, guys. Ayan. I'm so excited. So guys, this is my beauty box last month, November. Ito siya. Ang liit niya. It is so small compared to, oh my god, that's so heavy. This one. And then this one. So tiny. This is really small than this one. Oh my god, it's bigger than my face. So, yeah, this is my November Boxycharm. I still haven't tried it on yet. So, this is my Boxycharm. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Nakasil pa siya, guys. So, guys, nakaready na yung blade ko. Be careful. Takot ako sa blade. Tapos, buksan na natin siya. Oops. Ay, grabe na excited. Ano kaya naman ito? Ayan na siya, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Plain. I don't know. I'm so excited. My goodness. Oh, jeez. Ang laki. Oh my god. No way. Ang dami niyang. It's the season Boxycharm. Oh, so cute. Tapon na natin yan. Hala. Oh, wait. Tinapon ko yung ano. Kakailanganin na ito natin mamaya. So, wait lang. First items. Ano kaya ito? Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, ito guys yung first items. Yan. And then, hala, may laman sa loob. Ang cute. Dalawang ano niya. So, pwede na natin dyan. Oh my god, what is this? Shit. Ano to? Oh my god, it's a, can't believe it's a USB wire connector charger digital device. Oh my god. Dual charger connector, Android or iPhone. Oh my god, I love this one. Type C adapter, USB output, USB input. Hala, shit. Ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Tapos ito yung ano niya. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. I'm so excited. Ito yung ano niya. Oh my God! I love it! Ang tawag pala dito, ano? Portable charger. Portable charger. So, original value is $22. So, oh my God. I'm so excited. Pwede siya sa iPhone, tsaka pwede siya sa Android. Oh my God. I'm so excited. So, next. Ito yung next. Ano to? I love this brand. Pretty Vulgar. Yan. Yan siya, guys. Oh my God. And so cute. Ayan siya. My goodness. What is it? So, ito daw. It is a translucent setting powder and a compatible, and then the original value is $32. Oh my God, I love this. I'm excited. And second, oh my God, ang dami. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung box niya. Yan siya. Yan yung box niya, guys. Ang dami. I'm so excited. Ayan siya, oh. Oh my God. So, next na, guys, is ano to? Sponge Blossom Balls body wash. Oh, it's a body wash. Hala, body wash siya. Ayun na yung sunod. Smells so good. It's a body wash. Ito daw yung body wash niya. That smells. I'm excited to go shower soon. It does smell so good. The body wash, it's original value is 20. Oh no. Oh yeah, original value is $20. Oh my God. Ano kaya next? Uy, ang dami. I'm so excited. Next is Grande Mascara. Oh my God. Ang cute ng packaging niya. I'm so excited. So this mascara is called, where are you, mascara? Oh my God, I got a lot. Where are you? Grande Mascara. So this cost, original value is $25. I'm so excited. Ito, ano to? Foliage. Oops. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. Yan guys, yung laman niya. Oops. Ang ganda. Yan siya. It's a pilot. Oh, Pro HD pilot. This is expensive. This is $45. This pilot. Oh my God, I love it. Really? This is a lot. Gee. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm crazy. I'm so excited. I love makeup. I'm sorry guys, I do love makeup. Oh my God, are these pretty? Yeah, my goodness. Ayun siya guys. Magkano ba to? Ano ba to? Violet Boss Pro Eyeshadow. So this is same $45 for this one. Let's open it guys. Ito na guys, ang ganda. Shit, ang ganda-ganda talaga. Oh my god. I'm so excited. It's hard to open. Oh my god. Seriously. They have two box. They have box outside and another box inside. Really. Tapon na natin yan. Ayan na siya guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's just excited. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I love it. No way. Oh my god. That's so cute. Ayan guys. Ang daming shade. Yay. Let's move on guys. Na-excited ako. Na-excited ako masyado. Tapos ito naman daw, oh wow, Elements Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Oh wow, this is really awesome. I'm excited with this one. It's Anti-Aging Elements Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream, Full Lines and Wrinkles. Oh my god, I'm so excited with this. Oh my god, I love it, this box. Ito na siya guys, oh. Ayan na, ang laki. How many ounces is this? Day cream, anti-wrinkle day cream. It is big. 30 ml. Ang laki. Oh my god. It smells so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes. So, magkano to? Elements. Really? Oh my god. So now I'm really excited to use this one. The original value is $89. This is expensive. $89. Ooh. I'm gonna use it soon. We'll see how it's look like. Oh my god, I love that one. And then next one, oh my goodness, what is it? Oh, Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. Tarte. Buksan natin. Oh my god. Saan ba yung Tarte? So this one is compatible value is $20. Oh my god, that's so excited. I'm sorry. Right now I'm very excited the items that I got today. Oh, shiny. Ang kintab niya guys. Yan siya. Kintab. Wow. So, let's move on. Ang dami kong nakuha. Ilang items to? Last items. Oh my god. This last items. Luxy Complete Face Set. Oh my god. Oh, ang ganda. Magkano tong face set? So, the compatible value of this is $65. Oh my god, yeah. I'm so excited. It's a complete face set. Oh my god. Ang ganda. I love the packaging. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, oh. Rose gold, tsaka sa baba yung light pink color. My goodness. I love it. Oh my god. Meron siyang spoolie. What's that? 2, 4, 6, 8 brushes. Okay? Naku, bubuksan ko talaga ito guys. Hindi talaga siya. Buksan natin guys. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda. Oh my goodness. Naka-double box siya. Ito yung box. Tapos ito pa. Oh my god. I love these brushes. Oh my god. Ayan na siya. Ang ganda. Oh my god. Ang dami kong nakuha. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So many, how many items? I didn't even know how many items I got. I got this 1, 2, 3. Ang ganda nito, color gold. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. May kasamang pouch. Oh, 9. Ito pala. Oh my god. I love all of my stuff too. So, teka, ipasilip ko ulit sa inyo guys yung mga nakuha ko. Magbibidyohan natin ng mabilisang video. So, isisingit ko na lang siya guys sa video ko kasi napahaba nata yung video ko eh. So, ito na guys yung pinamili ko. Yan. Glam. Saka yung charger. Yung Vios Violet. And this one. Body soap. Pretty Bulgar. Loose translucent powder. This one. Lemon cream. Tarte. Mascara. And then the brush. And then that's it. So I think that's it for my Boxy beauty box for my December box. And hope you like it. And don't forget to comment down below kung meron din kayong experience ng ganitong mga beauty box. What your favorite? Don't be shy. Just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you soon. Bye everyone.